A piece of Revlon lipstick has been dropped into this rabbit's lower eyelid. 12 million animals are used by EU researchers every year. That's 137 animals suffering in cruel and painful experiments every 10 minutes. How much do you know about the cosmetics you use in your everyday life? How do the rabbits and kittens feel when they are forced to test the ingredients of products you purchase? In 2013, the European government are set to put a permanent ban on any products being tested on animals, one that began back in 2003. We speak to science advisor at PETA, Gilly Stoddard, about the campaign.
In 2003, the Seventh Amendment of the Cosmetics Directive was agreed upon in Europe, and that introduced a phased approach to banning cosmetics testing and the sale of products that have been tested on animals within Europe. In 2004, the ban came into force where final products would no longer be allowed to be tested within Europe. The next stage was 2009, where all ingredient testing within Europe was banned, and also a sales ban of some cosmetics that had been tested on animals for short-term endpoints. So those are the ones where animals would have the chemicals dripped into their eyes or applied to their skin, and it would be a very short-term test. In 2013, that's when we expect all cosmetics that have been tested for any endpoints to be banned within Europe. That's a sales ban. So if tests are conducted in China, for example, those products can't be sold within Europe. And that's a really big deal, because by banning the marketing of these products, it means that companies can't profit from cruelty, even when it's not being conducted within Europe. The loopholes that may be introduced to that 2013 sales ban will include the possibility that some companies will be allowed to test some of their ingredients on animals, and those would be ingredients that are particularly beneficial in some way, or may show some degree of innovation that we haven't seen before. Through our members and supporters, we've now actually sent more than 50,000 letters to the European Commission asking them to uphold the ban. We've had meetings with the Commissioner to discuss these various issues, and so we've been working on it on a number of different levels, really.
But during the campaign, research loopholes were found to delay the procedures.
Well, one of our big concerns was that there may be a delay in the implementation of this ban, and we wouldn't be sure how long it could be delayed for. It could be another 10 years, because a report that came out in 2011 said that many of the longer term endpoints, so those are experiments that go on for several months to look at cancer, for example, alternative methods wouldn't be necessarily available within the next 7 to 9 years. So one of our big concerns is that the ban may be delayed indefinitely, but we do think that it's more likely that loopholes will be introduced.